Hello guys, I am Professor Shamli Zalte from KKW College, Chandori. Today we will learn basic loops of C programming. Firstly, we will discuss what is meant by loop. Loop statement are used to repeat the execution of statement or blocks in our program. Firstly, we will discuss the type of loops. First type is while loop, second is do while loop, and third is for loop. Next, we will discuss the basic execution of a loops. A loop statement allow us to execute a statement or a group of statement as a multiple times. Once the condition becomes a false, the loop is terminated. That means our program or our loop. Firstly, we will check the condition. Our condition is a true, then loop is, if condition is a true, then loop is execute on a conditional code, then our condition is false, then loop is terminated. This is the basic executions of any loop. Next one is a, firstly we will discuss the while loop. Here statement, firstly we will discuss the syntax of while loop. While in bracket condition, then open our curly brace, then write our code, and next is closing the curly brace. Here statement S means maybe single statement or block of statement. First condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, then statement part is executed. Then again if check the condition, if condition is false, then out of the loop, out of the while loop. This is the syntax or our main definition of the while loop. Next is a while loop program. This is example of while loop. Consider hash include stdio.h void main. Main is our main function. Integer a is equal to 1. While a is greater than 6, then print f %d and a. Next a plus plus. Firstly, a is initiated to 1. Next, check the while condition. A is greater than 6. A means 1. 1 is greater than 6. Yes, condition is true. Next is control is go to our loop. Then check function printf %d /n comma a. A means 1, output is a 1. Next a plus plus. Next our a's value is 2. Then check while loop. 2 is greater than 6. S condition is true, then also print our output is 2. Then check a is, then a plus plus, a is equal to 3. Then check 3 is greater than equal to 6. Yes, condition is true, print the s value, our output is 3. This is our while loop program. Next is a do while loop. The syntax is do opening curly brace, next statement closing curly bracket, next while and condition. A do while loop is a similar to a while loop. Execute the fact that is guaranteed to execute at least one time. First statement part is executed and then condition part is evaluated. Then that means first execute our code and then check our condition. If the condition is true, then again statement part execute and then again the condition part. If the condition is a false, then out of do while loop, then out of the do while loop. Next is a for loop. Syntax is a for in bracket initialization semicolon, next condition semicolon, and next increment or decrement operator. Next opening curly bracket statement and closing curly bracket. First go for initialization. Next is a second condition. If condition is a true, then statement part is executed and then iteration portion. Next if condition is false, then out of the for loop. Third iteration is after iteration portion, control goes back to condition. Next is a for loop program. Hash include stdio.h void main for int I is equal to 1 means I is equal to 1, semicolon, I is greater than 6, and next I plus plus. First I1, I is equal to 1, then check I is greater than 6, 1 is greater than 6, s, then go to our loop, print f %d slash n and print the i's value. I is initially 1, then output is 1. Again goes to increment operator, I plus plus. I is initially 1, then I plus plus, the our currently value of I is 2, then check I is equal to 2 is greater than 6, yes, condition is true, then enter again a for loop, %d slash n and print the i's value. I is initially 2, then print the output is 2. Again goes to again goes to I plus plus. I is initially 2, then I plus plus means I is incremented, and I store the value of 3. Then again check condition, 3 is greater than 6, as condition is true. Again goes to printf. This is our for loop program. Thank you for watching my video.